Whether you're recording Windows tutorials or perhaps just showcasing your gaming skills on YouTube, we've got your back. We know you're not swimming in cash. So in today's video, we're here to serve up the top 5 free screen recorders that'll make your wallet do a happy dance.
Yeah, boy.
All the screen recorders are free, 0 time limits, and absolutely no watermarks to ruin your masterpiece. So, without any further ado, let's zoom in. Third on our list is Snipping Tool, and it's already pre-built on your Windows operating system. Yes, you've heard it right. It's right there, chilling on your Windows system, like the sock you lost in the laundry. After opening the software, there are 2 options to choose from. Instead of choosing between good and evil, just click on the recording option and click on New. Then you have to manually select the recording area, which I think is really handy. After recording, you can either save it as MP4 or discard it if it is not captured correctly. Now, if you ask me about the snipping tool, it's so simple and smooth that it makes butter look complicated. Sad reality, most people see it as useless software just because it comes pre-built. But hold on, you'll be shocked with the video results it provides. If you'll ask me about a bad thing, it will be its rigidity towards customization. There isn't any option for you to change the resolution or tweak around other settings. It's a 2-step software, just press record, save the video, and that's it. So whether you have a potato PC or you own a PC that could rival NASA's, give Snipping Tool a try. Happy recording, my penny-pinching fellas. At number 2, we have FreeCam. This software holds a special place in my heart because I've been using it since the beginning of my YouTube journey. You'll love its simplicity. It's so user-friendly that even your grandma could use it. Aww. To get started, just visit their website, enter your email address, and you'll receive the setup. With FreeCam, you can highlight your mouse cursor. Also, there's a built-in audio and video editor to remove any unwanted parts. Just remember, the video quality maxes out at full HD or 1080p. I will easily recommend it to you if it's your first time thinking of recording a screen. However, if you want to record the highest quality videos, consuming all of your PC's performance, FreeCam is not for you. In summary, it's the perfect choice if you're a beginner, especially if your main goal is to create videos on an older, less powerful PC. At number 1, for the best free screen recorder, we have OBS Studio. OBS Studio is the best screen recording software you can find online without paying any money. I recently switched from FreeCam to OBS, and for me, it's a great jump in video quality. Listen guys, simply changing the screen recording application won't improve your video quality. It's the combination of both the software and hardware that matters. This means you can capture great videos if you have a good GPU and CPU. This open source application has capabilities that most premium programs don't have, like multiple mixing choices and settings that may be customized depending on whether you're recording or streaming. Their multi-view option allows you to control up to 8 separate scenes at once, and if you want to stream, their studio mode allows you to preview your film before it goes live. It is actually fun to play with different settings in OBS. You know, this software is perfect for folks who really want to have total control over their recordings. When you use it, it's like this huge weight off your shoulders because you can just relax and not stress about a thing.